guys, this is the final look. Hi guys, it's Cassandra. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope after today you will be a subscriber. I'm here with a fresh face because today marks the first day of a new series on my channel. It's going to be called the Love and Obsession series. It will be 7 days of Valentine's makeup look. I just love Valentine's Day. Everything is pink and red and girly and full of love. So let's get started. Honestly, I don't have a plan. We're just gonna see where the makeup takes us. I feel like I gotta give y'all something simple. I gotta start. It's day one. I gotta start y'all off with something simple. I'm gonna just start off with brows. When I was in hair school, they always told us like you can't use black on brows. Nobody's brows is black. But mine are. The girlies were saying that they don't use fawn anymore. Fawn is still the girl in this household, okay? I take this pink in my crease. I want to deepen this up a little bit. I want to try something and see if it works. Okay, so I'm gonna go in like this. And I have hooded eyes, so this is probably gonna be hard. I could clean it up, but that feels perfect to me. My eye closed so it could dry, because if I open my eye, it's gonna mess up. I literally have to hold my eyelid. Okay, we're done for eyes right now, and we're going to move on to face. So we're using our primer, e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Today we're going to do a little color correcting. Do our foundation. Eyes, I'm gonna use Fawn. I'm going to bake. Not gonna lie, I low-key don't want to add a lash to this because I feel like if I add a lash, it's gonna take away from my heart. All of my lashes are huge. I think I'm gonna just do a natural lash. Got my lash curler. Yeah, I think I should have added a lash. Let's do the lip. That's it, guys. This is the final look. Thank you for watching day one of the Love and Obsession series. Make sure you come back tomorrow so you can continue the series, and then the next day, and then the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you want to follow me on my other socials, I am flawlesspink_ on everything. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to me. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.